This is a video for tutorial purposes only. What I'll be doing is I'll be explaining an OR logic circuit and how it works. In an OR logic circuit, we have this type of an example. 5 volt battery, 1K ohm resistor to a switch A and hooked in parallel with a switch B, joined together and hooked up to a lamp. In order for the lamp to turn on, switch A or switch B has to be closed in order for the lamp to turn on. Logic 1. This is a logic symbol for an OR gate. A would be the A switch, B would be the B switch, the Y would be the output. This right here is the truth table. This will help illustrate the truth table. When A is not pressed, or B is not pressed, you have no logic flow, no continuity flow. When A is not pressed, but B is pressed, you have an output of 1. Logic flow goes through. When you have A is pressed, B is not pressed, the output goes to 1. You have logic flow going through. Or you could have this situation where you have A is pressed, B is pressed, you still get an output of 1. Logic flow goes through. This right here is a 7432 quad 2-input OR gate. Pin number 1 would be the A for the A switch. Pin number 2 would be the B switch. Pin number 3 would be the output, like the Y. Now, that's what's in here right now. Like I said earlier, this is an OR gate. It means either one. When it turns high, it'll turn on the output, which is the light. So when we press A, the light turns on. B, the light turns on. When you could also press both, and still the light turns on. Okay. Right here is a PLC example of an OR logic gate. We'll think of these two push buttons, push button 1, push button 2, as normally open push buttons, similar to this, A and B. When A is not pressed, this is false. B is not pressed, this is false. It's only when push button 1 closes, this becomes true, allows a logic to go all the way through here, turning on the pilot light. Or you could have push button 2, when that is pressed, it allows logic continuity to turn on the pilot light. And that's how a OR function logic gate works.